Hi everybody, it's Martin from Branco Customs here. I just wanted to quickly show you this chef knife I've just finished making. This one my client is buying it for their friends as a gift for their 30th wedding anniversary. So basically got a N690 cobalt steel blade, 316 stainless steel handle pins with a mosaic brass handle pin sitting pretty in the middle there. Got some spine filing and red liners, and I bet you're all wondering whether this thing is sharp. Well, if I just grab my piece of paper here, again, the obligatory sharpness test. It seems to do pretty well. And again, all of that also comes with a just a standard Kydex sayer, so they can keep it safe if they're ever traveling with it. Again, that just sits in there like so.